Whenever I sent any high-resolution video to my WhatsApp status, it came blurry and grainy. But there is one simple trick that you can follow to upload HD videos to WhatsApp status with caption without losing the video quality. Let me show you how it's done from your Android or iPhone. To improve the video quality, straight open your device's gallery or Photos app, and then select the video that you want to set as your WhatsApp status. Press send or share to WhatsApp, and then send that photo to yourself. When you end up in this section, tap on this tiny HD button and select HD quality. And if you want, you can add captions to your status as well. Hit the send button, and afterwards, just tap on this forward section, and then tap on My Status. Upload this video to your status. And if you have previously sent that same video in standard quality, you will definitely see the improvement. However, in your iPhone, you'll have to just make sure to tap the HD button at the top right corner to turn it into HD. If you have any other easier trick to share, the comment section is yours. Thanks for watching.